squeezing like a heart. Hi, we're the Tutorial Twins, and we've totally just messed up our couches. Now, before our mom gets mad at us, we're gonna clean above and beyond. So, the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to take all the cushions out. So this way we can get under these big cushions and start vacuuming in there. We have some junk, earrings, pens, bracelets. We might want any stuff that we might want to save or think, oh, we can still use this pen still. Like this, like you might want to save this flash drive or this necklace or this clip and pen. You might want to put it aside for now, because if you're missing anything like an earring, just put it aside. I'm going to vacuum the top of it first. And it doesn't have to be totally, completely clean. So she's going to be putting the cushions on while she sweeps any of the dirt on the floor left. So now I just need to find where this cushion will go. And I believe it's not going to be here because these edges are for the edge cushion. So this is going to go in the middle. Now before I set this on, our couches have some zippers. And if your couch has zippers, you want to make sure the zipper is facing towards the back of the couch. Right there. Fluff them back up. Fluff. You can do a little bit facing outward, like this. Or, okay, there we go. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye!